Hello everyone. Welcome in the first tutorial from Easy 5 Minutes. Today we are gonna create this. Today we are going to talk about the best website to build your professional resume online. This is literally the best service out there so far. We are talking about fully flexible design being easy to use, and that doesn't mean that you are forced into using a pre-made template. Make your resume stand out from the pack by customizing it. Your resume will be free of watermarks, there are no premium-only options, high-quality PDF, data privacy and many others benefits. Basically it's awesome. It is really easy to use Flow CV. First of all, enter Flowcv's website with this link below, and you can directly start creating your CV without any membership or user information. After entering basic information including your name, place of residence, date of birth, add the information you need to include in your CV, such as your educational background, work experience, foreign languages, certificates, awards, skills, etc., and make your resume perfect for Y. After the content section, the design section welcomes you to customize your CV. Here, you create the design that reflects you best by choosing what your preferences of basic features such as font, size, and the color of the text. If you want, you can change the font size and adjust the paper you use in accordance with the standards of different countries. Finally, you can forward your CV to your friends to get feedback. Although no membership is required to create CV in Flow CV, you are expected to sign in to download your resume. Note that membership is free, but you can only create one CV at a time. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I see you very soon. Later.